Hey fucker, are you having anxiety right now? A panic attack? You need some relief? Well, you're here in the right fucking spot. So find a place where you can take a seat or lie down. And once you do, let's do this fucker. Let's relax. So you have anxiety, I feel you, I hear you, I've been there. And these are the techniques that I've learned to relieve my panic attacks, to relieve my anxiety. So the first thing while you're seated or lying down is just acknowledge your anxiety. Just acknowledge your panic. Say hello to your anxiety. Say hello to your panic. Say, hey fucker, I see you. Just acknowledge it. Notice it. Don't fight it. Welcome it. Say, hey fucker, hey anxiety, I see you. And you soon realize the power of the anxious thoughts are slowly and easily and naturally dissolving. Because during this meditation, during this practice, all you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my voice. So saying hi to that panic, acknowledging it, noticing it, observing it, not fighting it, just allowing it to be here in the present moment. And you are so much more powerful than this feeling, than this anxiety. In just a moment, we'll do a breathing technique. Not yet, but in just a moment, with your mouth closed, you'll breathe in through your nose a 4 count. You'll hold your breath a 2 count. And you'll exhale out your mouth a 6 count. Let's start. Mouth closed, breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2. Exhale out the mouth 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, mouth closed, breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale out the mouth 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, mouth closed, breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 1, 2. Exhale out the mouth 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep that breath on your own. Inhaling 4, holding 2, exhaling out the mouth 6. Now release the counting and come back to a steady and natural breath, in and out through your nose. A steady, comfortable, natural fucking breath for you. Don't overthink it, just a nice and steady breath. And you soon realize you're relaxed. You soon realize that panic, that anxiety simply dissolve the fuck away. Because you deserve to relax. Yes, you do. And as you're relaxing, as you're breathing, say this affirmation silently to yourself. I will remain calm and fucking steady. 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 And take this affirmation with you throughout your motherfucking day. And anytime if this anxiety or this panic comes back, come back to this fucking meditation. Because you deserve to relax. Yes, you do, fucker. Have an amazing day.